Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make instant mix Gulab Jamun. First, gather your ingredients. You will need 1 packet of instant mix, about 1/4 cup of milk or water, 2 cups of sugar, 1 cup of water, and a few green cardamom pods for the syrup. Also, have enough oil or ghee ready for deep frying. This simple recipe yields approximately 20 delicious jamuns. Now let's prepare the dough. Empty the instant mix into a bowl. Slowly add about 1/4 cup of milk or water, a little at a time, until a soft, pliable dough forms. Remember to knead very gently. Over-kneading can make the jamuns hard. The dough should be smooth and easy to handle, not sticky. Next, we move to frying. Heat oil or ghee in a deep pan over medium-low heat. While the oil heats, form small, smooth balls from the dough, each about 1 inch in diameter. Fry these balls in small batches, turning them frequently until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color. This slow frying ensures they cook evenly inside. Finally, the syrup and soaking. Combine 2 cups of sugar and 1 cup of water in a separate pan. Add a few green cardamom pods for an aromatic touch. Bring this mixture to a boil, then simmer for about 5 minutes until slightly sticky. Immediately transfer the hot, fried jamuns into the warm syrup. Let them soak for at least 30 minutes to absorb the sweetness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.